When former First Lady Imelda Marcos celebrated her 91st birthday, her daughter, Senator Imee Marcos, shared on social media a handwritten letter of former President Ferdinand Marcos. It was written in 1985 in Malacanang. To Imelda, my love, on her birthday, on the shiny rock I carve my eternal devotion. My living thought is you. I can never stop loving you. Never, 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 Andy. On July 2, the former Ilocos Norte lawmaker also got sweet birthday messages from her children and apo.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.